from the first time I saw him, I want somebody na ipadala sa Philippines, representative ng Philippines, something different naman. Diba? Something that we can create. She's already an icon in you know naman what she was before.
Yes.
So I wanted something to represent other naman. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Something different that I think she's the only two of them. And this came from the Philippines, and she's the one who has the international title. She became a universal woman, first runner-up, and she represented our country. And she was also universal woman of Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
So I think I have a trust and confidence, and I'm so confident that she can make it in the MGI All-Star.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Ana. Ngayon naman to TV5, let's hear from MJ Marfori.
Thank you so much. Congratulations sa partnership and sobrang bright future ahead. Again, just to piggyback sa sinabi ni Ana about MGI. ALB, are you continuing the franchise of MGI? What's gonna be down? What's gonna happen to that?
After giving two consecutive queens, we won, di ba? And this time is we maybe hindi pa alam ni Boss Vic ito. I will sit down with him. We're gonna put it's about time that the Philippines will have an international pageant. So that is my trust now. That is my project. We will create our own name that could be compared with on the same level or higher than MGI or other Asian pageant. So di ko pa nakukwento sa kanya. Maybe after this, I'm going to offer that it's about time that Philippines can have our own pageant for international pageant. So that's it.
Wow. And of course, kay Boss Vincent and Veronique, syempre alam naman natin, Viva, lahat talaga ay wini-welcome ninyo in different industries, and now, yun nga, binubuksan na yung world of pageantry for Viva. What are your thoughts on that? How open are you to this? And yun nga, parang lumaki lang lalo yung playing field.
Actually, in the past, we produced also some pageants as well. I don't remember, but my brother yata was handling that. So, but meron na rin ganun. And most of the other actresses we have from way back sila Kylie Versosa, Angelita Bayari, na nag-crossover din, Di Gallardo, nag-crossover sa acting. It was also din yung Viva, yung ganun yung trust na parang pwede siyang mag-crossover into acting. So, even now, sila Kylie, sila Cindy Miranda, so, yun. Charlene, actually pala, si Charlene. So, Rufa. So, nandun, same naman yung thrust ng ALB and Viva.
Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman, pakinggan natin ang mga tanong ni Kiko Escuadro from Radar PH.
Hello po. Hi, congratulations sa partnership. Question ko po kay ALB. Hello po. Follow up ko lang po dun sa question si MJ regarding sa MJ. Marami kasing mga pageant fans na isa ka sa mga tinitignan nila regarding sa pageant because of the titles na meron ka sa ALB Pageant Circle. Mainit recently yung meeting ni Nawat and Jojo Bragais. Is it true po ba na sa inyo pa rin po ba ang MGI Philippines franchise?
As I've said, after delivering two queens from the Philippines, it's about time naman that I can create our own international pageant. So I have to choose. Maybe if MGI will give it to Jojo or to anybody that they're willing to accept Miss Grand, I'm open if they want to give it to others, because my plan is to put up our own na galing naman sa Philippines, because Vietnam is very successful, Thailand is very successful, so with regards to the pageant industry, Philippines is one of the biggest, most powerhouse in the field of pageantry. So why don't we have one from the Philippines who have, you know, to stage and create our own pageant. Like we only have one, which is Miss Earth. So this time, it's about time to have another one,
Yes.
which is bigger and better pageant. Which one of my purpose, also my objective, is to be partnered with Viva Group of Companies.
Pero yung relationship with Nawat and MGI Group, okay pa rin po?
Yeah, of course,
Yes.
of course. We have MGI,
Yeah.
MGI representative.
Yes.
No, we're friends.
Mm.
No problem. I
Okay.
don't want to create any, you know, enemies or bad with other. I have always have a good relationship to other international directors or international pageant.
Sundot ko na rin po, paano po yung naging selection ng girls na nandito po sa panel natin ngayon? Paano po sila napili na maging sila yung first batch of ALB talent na mag-sign with Viva?
We had an audition prior for that was 3 weeks ago, together with, of course, all the
Yes.
big wigs of Viva were there also. And so ito yung mga napili.
Yes.
We have an audition na talagang they go into audition.
Yes.
And these are the artists na napili.
Opo.
Dahil, syempre, there's iba naman yung pageantry, yung requirements, iba
Yes.
din yung requirements for to be an actress, to be a singer, or to be part. Iba yung requirements. So these are the girls who we think na pinag-usapan namin na who has the potential to be a star or to be an actress or to be a singer. Because all of them they went to the process.
Okay. Thank you po. Siguro po yung questions ko naman para sa mga girls, individually po. Paano po, ano po yung mga naging audition piece? Ano po ba gusto nyo in the future with Viva Partnership and ALB? Ano po yung target yung career?
Alright, so let's start this side all the way to the end.
Yes
okay?
po. Thank you.
To be honest, before ako mag-audition po on Viva, nag-extra na ako sa TV. And nung pinasahan ako na meron daw audition, green-up ko na yung opportunity because not all of the beauty queens na kasamahan namin before is mabibigyan ng ganitong opportunity. So, why not? Since nandito na rin, hindi lang naman pagpapageant yung industry na pinapasok ko, pati na rin pag-showbiz. Kasi kung super love ko ang pagpapageant, super in love po ako pagdating sa pag-acting. And I'm really looking forward for the opportunities na to So, I'm really looking forward for the projects ng Viva and of course ni ALB. Thank you.
Hello po, good afternoon po. Being part of ALB is already very big for me.